Let's start with the installation activities. For installation of coax and fiber, both, we'll have to pull the cables on support structure. Common cable support structure is cable tray, whether new or existing. If cable tray is not available or not feasible, then J-hooks will be installed to run the cable. Most of the time, these J-hooks will be above the ceiling tiles, so they will not be visible from the ground when DAS is finished. Once the coax is pulled, installers will put on the connectors as they are shown in the design. We have previously discussed 4 different types of connectors. Most of the time, installers will use some sort of connectorization tool. Connectorization tool can vary based on the connectors. Fiber is typically terminated or connectorized inside a fiber housing. Here is a rack-mounted fiber housing. Fiber cable enters the housing at the back of the box. And instead of putting connectors in the field like we do on coax, installers take fiber pigtail and fusion splice cable end of the pigtail to the fiber strand we have pulled inside the fiber housing. By fusion, we mean 2 strands of fiber are fused together. One fiber strand will be from the pigtail and the other one will be from the fiber cable that came inside the housing. Inside the jacket of the fiber cable, there may be several fiber strands, which is also determined during design phase and mentioned in the bill of materials. As you can see from the picture of the fiber pigtail, one end is open fiber, but the other end has a connector. Connector end of the pigtail is attached to the back of the coupler, and this is the coupler. And fiber jumper is attached to the front of the coupler, to these sockets, to connect to another device. Fusion is not the only way to attach fiber connector. There are other ways, however, fusion splicing is the most common way to attach a fiber connector.